You know, get it.
So guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're heading to Augustown. We're gonna meet up with Sizzla, Kalonji. You see me? We're gonna do some shoot there. You know, we're gonna carry you guys along and show you what's up for the rest of the day. So we're there in the car right now. We're about to leave out. So I'll catch you whenever we reach. So stay tuned.
Peterson, Payne Thompson, and Shani Thompson. Have you heard your name? I go again. Jason Johnson.
But he lived in New York. He thought that he was in Ochi when he came and saw the whole thing. See? So it's all about the continuous work of the Sizzla Youth Foundation in collaboration with a number of other organizations across the community here and abroad. So first of all, I want to say welcome to all of you who are here this afternoon from yesterday into today, and those of you who will continue to be here tomorrow. So it's oneness, see? So we have to big up all the men from all the various areas, from River, from Gaza, from Brazil, from Hermitage, from Gola, from Jungle 12, from Vietnam, all around. If you don't hear your name, you're still there. Big up yourselves in Drew Road, Mill Lane, everywhere. See? I want family we say now. So the whole thing is about, right now, this part of the program is about to just give you a sense of other things that will be happening. You know, we had a program that we work with the kids who have lost parents to violence. So we raise support from local and international for these kids. All right? So this evening we are going to be presenting some financial support to those children. No, it's not all the kids across the community, it's the ones that we've been working with so far. See, because some of the kids' parents say, no, they're not on that thing, they're going on with them things. See? But we want to give thanks, I want to big up the cross church from Chicago have provided a lot of support, provided the funds to assist the kids along with the Sizzla Youth Foundation. See? Miguel called it himself. So at this point, I would like every single person here to just give Mr. Collins a big round of applause to me. Yeah, man. Everybody, because right now, you see, we're going to August, so we are going in the Kadamari village, so Kadamari Valley, right, so it's not going nowhere else in Jamaica. See? So we have to give thanks to Mr. Collins and the team. See? All the youths them we play the football together now right down at August Primary School. We have to give thanks for the two. So big up on yourself and clap on yourself, because what we are saying, bring back the love right across the community. See? So we are going to be asking as you call your name, we're going to ask you to just come on stage and make your, and just collect the support to, for your child. See? So it's something that we wanted to get bigger. I want to cover every single child across the community. But it cannot happen without support from the ones here and abroad. Right? So once you are able to give support, you just start to Mr. Collins, see, and he give you the lowdown, because trust me, all the kids in the community belongs to us. See, you take a village to grow a child, and so henceforth, folks, all of us one. So I want to pick up I think I saw the Member of Parliament earlier, Minister of Education, Mr. Favour William. Yes, want to pick her up, and I'm sure that she's going to call upon her to say, to bring some kind of greetings right now. So, Mr. Collins, sir, you ready, sir? So, we're going to ask Ms. Williams to come and bring greetings at this time. She is the Minister of Education. I told her every day I don't envy her, because that ministry, too much work, Pastor. Too much work. See? Too much work. So I don't know how you're in a minister. But they say that our brain contains over 10 billion cells. Maybe Ms. Williams have 20 billion. Please make her welcome, please.
Thank you, Mr. Wilson. Good afternoon, everyone. I hear a few people. Good afternoon, Augustown. Awesome. It's great to see you. It's great to always be in Augustown. And it's great to be here at Judgment Yard. I know that you're enjoying yourselves this evening. Very much so. Yes, I hear the children say yes. But let us give a round of applause to those who made this happen. Let us give a round of applause to Sizzla and the team, all the organizers who put a lot of work into ensuring that today is a great day for everyone. I want you all to take your photographs and share them on social media and let people know that good things are happening in Augustown. I am glad to be a part of it and to have contributed over the years. I know that we're still in the process of working on a project that will bring a bike trail to this part of Augustown. That I believe will be an exciting venture. It takes time, but we're gonna get it done. We continue to do work on the infrastructure in Augustown, the roads, the sidewalks. We continue to take down zinc fences and put up block fences. We continue to work with the people, training programs, and I'm particularly delighted that Mr. Wilson has taken on the restorative justice program here in Augustown, and he's doing it through sports, and it's been very successful so far. Along with the Sizzla Youth Foundation, it's been very successful so far. We're seeing groups who would otherwise be fighting with each other are on the sports ground, competing in a positive way with each other. You all know that Augustown is where greatness lives. continue to move from strength to strength. And of course, when I say Augustown, I'm including all the communities of Augustown. One Augustown, where greatness lives. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Continue to enjoy yourself in this very wholesome environment where you're enjoying nature, you're enjoying the children as well. Thank you very much. Thank you, Mr. Wilson.
Yes, you are welcome, Minister. Yes, Minister of Education, Member of Parliament for our beloved Augustown community, all the communities, Augustown, Hermitage, Goldsmith, Villa, and African Gardens. See?
They're not here? Okay. So a little ice cream for a little baby. No noise. Okay? Once you get a little ice cream, you respectfully remove yourself from the front of the line. Alright? Hip hip? But before you give the ice cream there, where the boss there? We'll make the ice cream forward and come and expound a bit about this product. Thank you, sir.
Greetings, everyone. Hello. Alright, greetings, everyone. We have some nice ice cream. This is coconut milk ice cream, non-dairy. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 flavors. We have rum and jackfruit, sour banana. So I want you to enjoy licensed non-dairy ice cream, and you can find it in the supermarket.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
Them alone. Mama said, you never know she would come back home. She gone from last week. I picked up place up everywhere in the ghetto. I know my mother can't sleep. Let me say you are burning out some people right now because I can't take the violence now in place. I don't know the things yet. Look that one there. I don't talk, God bless them now. No evidence. No matter we do now, one day. What is the Augustine? No evidence. No, yeah.
Yo! That message that powerful. No wibble, no wobble. I don't like to hear the whole night. You have a voice listening in my name. Yeah, man, magical fruit. You have born you. Right now, more than 10% again. More Empress again. Come still there, I'm not going to win now. I Sizzla Kalonji birthday, I 17 today. You don't know what judgment you are today. Thinking of the judgment policy. Right now, about nice Empress. Empress EQ.
Yes, I. Praises Rastafari. Praises, praises, praises. Mama, mama, mama say. Mama say from the day me born, she knows me a Rasta. She could have tell from the day me born, she knows me a Rasta. And mama say from Sizzla Kalonji born, in my Rasta. Mama say yeah. She said she saw that sadness look in my eyes, dancing fiery, bulging wise. She stopped and wondered in her thoughts and take a good look at me. Then Mama remember Rastafari says he takes one in every family. My mama was not surprised. No, no, no.
The pedophile and the right word still. Some rapist boy. Me no want them boy. The shot of them no want them bandika. Me tell them the little people look somebody own ya. No man I get my on my shoulder. Boy, judgment car, go grab me ball. They want the little people level. More of them listen everything what me I say. That one a name I never par with no child molester. Some little boy them a real child molester. Some big man them a real child molester. When me say this song name child molester. Alright, I never par with no child molester. Some little boy them a real child molester. Some big man them a real child molester. Level. Like a door, me not kill it. Muji turn up, me nigga shot in it. Gunshot a twist up them tripe and a platin it, me stack in it. Pass me the wig and the frack in it. Make me show them officer rap. Alright, fi make me money man a see DJ and rapping. Me a drop the beds and Sizzla a drop top in it. A piano for the heads in the bed, release a rap in it. Me a set the trend, no stopping it. Me lyrics I got that to me turn me double check in it. Girl a get really carrot juicy, so what's up in it? Fire pan a wall, we see what's in and push it back in it. Give me the clock and make me select a challenge. No, some rapist boy. We don't want them boy. Just level up. Remember that's the one. Of course. Yeah. Alright. Me and them ready to start the work out this up. When them approve, when them talk out this up. If them make me here, gunshot at me was out this up. Have me gun to walk me not go down and suck this up. Boy, you walk with them because I should have put your chop this up. What kind of ear that you have in your mouth this up? Come on, Sizzla. Them and them on your out this up. Big up, take up.
Yeah, man. Shows still a burn and the fire still a burn Babylon in a problem same way. Sizzla Kalonji birthday, that one epic, historical. Big up all the empress, them and the kingdom of our world come celebrate with the king. That one memorable. Yo! We have more artists, huh? Flourish. Yo! All the artists that are working on unity right now, come here left and right now. Come here left with that one there. Well, you don't like for yourself, no one do it to another. Brother, stop murder your brother. Stop murder your sister, your mother. We love say kill, but when we friend them dead, we ball. Tell the killers to chill, and bust the gun down at all. Why we love say kill, but when we family dead, we ball. Tell the killers to chill, now bust the gun down at all. Hey, watch out now, we sing and we play the most fun song. How bullet we spray and how we go long. How we fathers we dead where we come from. How we dark and we go like dungeon. And how we enemies we burn up like jump on. How we no love when we the one stone one. And a friend or a family or a loved one get killed from the bullet of a gunman. But we love sing about crocodile teeth. When it bites man if we it don't swing. Right for right and a beat yeah we love sing. But we no love sing.
touch it up. Nobody don't want him and then he say they touch it up. Follow me touch it up. He can't put it up. He can't put it up. No, he can't put it up. Nobody don't want him and then he say they touch it up. Nobody don't want him, then he say they touch it up. Follow me touch it up. August, hold on. Touch it. Well, pull up. Nobody don't want him, then he say they touch it up. Follow me touch it up. He can't put it up. He can't put it up. He say my life, he run the ball and get every every time he say his name is a crime. Him pass it on him list, him touch it on his face, him shoes the water place inside, going to membrane. So when you want to be the shopping stone from the west, I shut your black brother. He not in face of busy crime and violence like he know what he plays on his body, but that damn great. August Stone.
Oh, make shots. Oh, make the broke and oh, make cry. Oh, make the life you don't stop in the back. What's next? Take up. So that's it, I know. Big up Anatolis. Mama no wife. Like boys, see on me. Sizzla Kalonji. Big up yourself, see on me. See? Jamaica. Sure. Listen up. Oh, make the gold and oh, make shot. Oh, make the coke and oh, make crack. Oh, make the life you come and stab in my back. Oh, make the cutlass to kill me with chop. Oh, make the gun and oh, make shot. Oh, make the coke and oh, make crack. Oh, make the life you come and stab in my back. Oh, make the cutlass to kill me with chop. Watch out. The man make the gun in dead long time. So all the gun they are still commit crime. Tell them say fi cool off on the war and crime and think about Father God in this time. You take out Satan from out of your mind and think about the man that make the sunshine. The man that make the rain fall. Every time just think about them miraculous in your body. Now who made the gun? Who made the shot? Who made the blessed love?